So sweetheart, what do I have for you today is another amazing dessert you can do at all time. I can also recommend this for the vegan because this is meant for them, and I believe that if you are not vegetarian, vegan woman or a man, I'll also recommend this dessert for you. You can also take it as morning food, as a morning breakfast. You can also take it as afternoon or your evening or night meal, depending on the time you want to take it. It is also good for weight loss. If you're on weight loss journey, I'll also recommend these different recipes for you. Keep watching. Which one will you like to do here? You'll find many with himbeering, blueberry, with strawberry. Name them. There are many with also kiwi, with apricot. So it depends on the type you want to do with chia seed. I like all of them. I don't have particular one I say that I like most because their taste differs, and there are ones you can do with banana, also with papaya, which is pawpaw. Yeah. There are some you can also do with soya milk, depending on the type of milk you like to do with almond. Name them. So keep watching. So sweethearts, I hope this one I have today, you will choose one or two from here. If you're new to my channel, I welcome you. You have seen what my channel is all about. I don't need to talk too much, but if you don't know, you can go to my about and read what my channel is all about. Thank you so much for watching with Mary and DK, and I will see you in my next upcoming video. I hope you will be there. Bye sweeties, stay blessed.